An integration strategy is a plan for seamlessly connecting different systems and processes within an organization. In the banking industry, an integration strategy can bring significant benefits to the organization, such as cost savings, increased efficiency, improved data quality and security, and enhanced customer service. By implementing an integration strategy, banks can streamline their operations and improve the flow of information across different departments and systems, resulting in a more efficient and effective organization. There are several key obstacles that a bank might face when implementing an integration strategy, including cost. Investing a large sum of money in a new technology without seeing a clear return on investment can be a significant obstacle to gaining consensus. Complexity. Concern about the time and resources required to implement the platform introduces uncertainty and can delay approvals. Security. Banks deal with sensitive customer information, and any new technology added to their systems raises concerns about security. Risk of failure. A bank might be hesitant to take on this risk, especially if it could disrupt the bank's operations and negatively impact the customer experience. Lack of understanding. Some banks may not fully understand the benefits of an integration strategy and may be hesitant to invest in something they don't fully understand. Internal resistance. Change can be difficult to implement, and it is possible there may be internal resistance to using a new integration platform. Multiple alternative technologies. A bank might have objections if they believe there are alternative solutions that can achieve the same results without the added cost and complexity. Here's our step-by-step guide on how to design and implement an integration strategy that can help your bank stay competitive and meet the changing needs of your customers. Step 1. Assess the current state. Start by conducting a thorough analysis of your bank's current systems and applications to identify data silos, inefficiencies, and areas for improvement. This will help you understand the scope of the integration project and define your objectives. Step 2. Define objectives. Clearly define your objectives for the integration project, such as increasing efficiency, improving customer experience, and reducing cost. This will guide the rest of the integration strategy development process. Step 3. Identify stakeholders. Identify key stakeholders within your organization, such as department heads, senior management, and employees, and involve them in the strategy development process. This will ensure buy-in from those people who would be responsible for implementing the integration strategy. Step 4. Select the right platform. Select an integration platform that is suitable for your bank's needs. Consider factors such as scalability, security, and compatibility with existing systems and applications. Step 5. Develop a roadmap. Based on your objectives, research, and stakeholder input, develop a detailed roadmap outlining the steps to implement the integration strategy. This roadmap should include timelines, milestones, and clear responsibilities for each step of the process. Step 6. Implement and monitor. With your roadmap in hand, it's time to start implementing your strategy. Keep track of your progress and make adjustments as needed to ensure your objectives are met. Monitor the integration process to identify any roadblocks or challenges that might need to be addressed. Step 7. Continuous improvement. Continuously evaluate the effectiveness of your integration strategy, incorporating feedback and learning from successes and failures to improve it over time. Step 8. Encourage a culture of change. Finally, it's important to develop a culture of change within your bank to ensure that employees are open to new ideas, new technologies, and new ways of working. Encourage employees to share these new ideas and reward those who contribute to the success of the integration strategy. Integration platforms and APIs are revolutionizing the banking industry by enabling banks to streamline their operations, improve the customer experience, and stay ahead of the competition. By using these technologies to automate business processes, improve data flows, and create secure connections between systems, banks can reduce costs, improve security and compliance, and provide a better customer experience. With this technology advancing rapidly, financial institutions should investigate how it can be applied to their operations to stay ahead of the curve. Ignite Connects can help. Find out how Ignite Connects can help you design and implement an integration strategy.